one that's always running through my daydream. I can only see your face when I close my eyes.